Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to schedule blog post publishing in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account and click on websites. And next to the websites that you want to schedule blog post publishing on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder. And first, if you don't have, or since you are looking for this tutorial, you already know how to start a blog. So I will skip this step. So after, or to schedule a blog post publishing, simply click on blog. Then here, let's create a new blog post. For example, I will write it myself. Let's say that this is my new blog post. Let's edit the blog post. This is a scheduled blog post. Click on save. Now to schedule this blog post publishing, click on post settings and scroll down. Make sure you are in the general tab and scroll down to schedule post. Enable this feature and then pick the publishing date. Today is 13th of January, so the next day can be, or the next publishing day. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Today is 13th of January, so the next day can be, or the next publishing day is today 14th. Select it from here, click on save, and then as you see here, next to status, it shows scheduled. So to publish this article on the selected date, click on this update website button. Now that my website is updated, let's view it. And as you see, my scheduled blog post is not showing up here because its publishing is scheduled to tomorrow. Unfortunately, Hostinger here does not show on the exact, or does not let you select the scheduling hours or the hour when you want your publish to be published on. But I think when you select a day, it will, for example, this is 5 p.m. Let's say you scheduled your blog post on 5 p.m. today. It will be published on the 5 p.m. of your selected date, publishing date. So this is how this card changes, and this is how to schedule it, and this is how to schedule publishing a blog post in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.